Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Z Flip coming with new chipset. Qualcomm has developed a new processor for the release of Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Z Flip. The world leader in the production of chipsets for mobile gadgets, the American company Qualcomm announced the imminent appearance on the market of an updated modification of its flagship chipset called Snapdragon 865 Plus, due to the fact that the South Korean giant Samsung has already bought more than half of the planned fund for the release of the Snapdragon 865 chipset. It should be expected that all of its new models of mobile gadgets in the second half of 2020 will be delivered on a new version of the processor. Samsung itself does not hide this in any way, but at the same time, it does not officially advertise. Instead, the company simply posted a render of the new Galaxy Note 20 device, signing it with the phrase, Galaxy Note 20 series will come with Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. Nevertheless, the same information is cited in his tweet by the famous insider Ice Universe. In addition to the new line of smartphones with S Pen, the Galaxy Note 20, all new gadget models including the Galaxy Tab S7 tablets, folding, Galaxy Fold 2 smartphones, and Galaxy Z Flip 5G will ship on an updated version of the flagship processor. It should be noted that the release of the new gadgets based on the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset is primarily aimed at the deliveries to the United States. It is planned to deliver new products to European countries on an Exynos 992 processor of its own production, taking into the account the possible dissatisfaction of the European consumer. One should expect an increase in purchases among Chinese counterparts, which in sufficient quantities, I can now get a regular Snapdragon 865 processor. Other phone specifications, features, and price of the smartphone is not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.